Thank you for joining this presentation. This time it's Benjamin. Once again, we have Lingoharbor, an interactive language learning flashcard app. And then for now, we do have 26 cards in the app, and we're continuing to improve it to add even additional features like audio and all other good stuff that you're gonna need. The current moment, we do have some good features. When you do click on the card, it's gonna flip it and show you the front. How do we call a leopard in Kinyarwanda? A leopard is ingwe. And you can go next. It's gonna get you a random question. How do you call a rabbit in Kinyarwanda? And you click on it, it's gonna show you the answer to the back. And if you do previous, it's gonna send you to the previous card from where you were. But if you do click next, it gives you a random one. It keeps giving you a random one. And for now, you see we do have pretty good features. We do have the image so that you associate the current vocabulary you are learning with an image so that it stays in your mind. And we do appreciate additional suggestions. If you do have any feature you want us to have, please let us know. And for the part of the mobile users, I'm gonna show you as well. It's gonna be the same. uh, let's do, for example, a Galaxy Z Fold. For the Galaxy Z Fold, this is how your app is gonna look like. You're still gonna be able to click and flip and go next, go previous. It's gonna still be updating to show the current card you are on. Let's do test another one. Let's do iPhone XR. For iPhone XR, it's gonna be this way as well. You have your title, you have your subtitle, total number of cards. You can flip the cards. You can do next, previous. So you see, our app is very responsive. Works on any device that you might have. So thank you for now. I will bye for now, and I will see you in the next part of updates.